What's going on, friends? We out here at the Lake Elsinore Outlet Mall in Southern California to film Lethal Culture and see what kind of dope setup he's got for the 350Z giveaway, because today is when Daniel announces the winner of the 350Z. So let's go see how everyone's staged and check it out. It's gonna be sick. Still in the mall, so we could get kicked out at any moment, so we should probably just move along. Yeah, it's looking super sick. Surprisingly, a lot of cars I haven't seen before, so that's always a good sign. Still kind of sketch because I seen a guy who always films riding a one wheel, and he wasn't riding a one wheel. What's going on, Justin?
Up, brother?
How are ya?
How you been doing?
Good, you?
Yeah, I'm great. Where are you parked? Are you parking here?
I'm in the, no, I'm over there in the parking.
I randomly got an entry.
Nice.
My car's in there. I'm excited. I'm pumped.
Hell yeah.
So, dude, always good seeing you, man.
Yeah,
Always
yeah.
has a good mood on the one wheel.
I try.
Keep it up, bro.
I try. Thank you.
Keep it up.
Hell yeah. That's the homie Justin. He's always positive vibes. Justin 808 on the dirt bike, showing love. I appreciate him every time. He's gonna get a bug eye. He said he wants to get a bug eye. I told him it's a bad idea, and Subi life is not an easy life. But he's still set on getting a bug eye, so he's getting a bug eye.
That's my shit. Wait. That's my shit.
Say what up to our favorite people over at Detail Garage, and definitely Ichiban Garage, because they #1. Tony, my boy at. Hey, I gotta get the homie. I always exclude him. I forget about him. I gotta get him. Hey, save the manuals. We out here. You got 3G Felix. I got you this time, bro. I got you. You guys squatted up. I always neglect you. Here we go. Woo! Hey, message me. I got that clip this time. Woo! Got a hole right As you can see, this footage is epic, one of a kind point of view. If you aren't already, definitely subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Tell the people in the world what they're missing out on by helping the algorithm. this one. I'm not usually into the new generation Subarus, but they did the mudguards right, and they got the right sticker. And all the right arrow. A wheelie?
You're already doing it.
Yeah, technically. The One Wheel GT getting positive reviews again. Oh, you airing out? Airing out on the competition? Hey, let's get it, let's hear it. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Woo. Hey, hell yeah. Peace out, brother. As the sun goes down, GoPro footage gets so much worse. This is Josh from Magic Skateboard Media, reminding you to take action, stay motivated. We'll see you on the next one. Woo! Peace.